Okay, so the last video talked about A and B, and it got a little long, and I know I talked a little fast. Bottom line is, A deals with how high and how low you go. B deals with how many wavelengths you get. Okay, if this number is bigger, you're going to get more wavelengths over a certain distance. If this number is smaller, you're going to get less waves over a certain distance. Okay, so what does D do? Well, if you can see this part we talked about in class, this part will never get bigger than 1 or smaller than -1, no matter what. No matter what I put inside here. Okay? And then A is going to determine how high and how low this goes. D is like an elevator. It's just going to shift it up or down. So if it's positive, like 4, it's going to move this equation, whatever this is, up 4 units. Okay, if it's a -4, it's going to move it down 4 units. Okay, the other value is this C. So what's that going to do? Okay, C is attached to the angle. Okay, so it's not going to change the height, but it is going to shift it left and right. Okay, it's going to shift the function. That's not function. The function left and right. Okay, and actually it's the opposite sign. So if it's negative C, it's going to shift it to the right, and if it's a positive C, it's going to shift it to the left. Okay, I hope this helps clarify. And I have sine written here. It'd be the same if it was cosine. And D and C and even A affect sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent the same. But B is a little bit different with tangent, and I'll show you that in a later video. For now, just B for sine is, to find the period, it's 2 pi over B. 2 pi over B. Know this formula for the period.